spotlight the Olympus E-M10 Mark IV. Despite its seemingly complex name, this camera is a hidden gem that often goes unnoticed, especially by those seeking a compact device with a robust emphasis on photography. Over time, Olympus has meticulously refined the E-M10 Mark IV, maintaining its dedication to capturing breathtaking images. Equipped with a 20-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor, a 3-inch flip-up touchscreen, and an in-body 5-axis image stabilization feature, this camera stands head and shoulders above most smartphones and pocket cameras. For novices or photography enthusiasts ready to elevate their skills, this camera presents a compelling choice. The OMD E-M10 Mark IV's compact, user-friendly design makes it an ideal entry-level mirrorless camera. Whether you're a newbie or a passionate photographer seeking a small device that consistently delivers stunning photos, this camera deserves a spot on your shortlist. While it may lack some high-end features like phase detection autofocus, 4K 60p video, and microphone headphone inputs, common in pricier models, the E-M10 Mark IV excels as a still camera. It also offers quality video capabilities when necessary, making it one of the best budget-friendly and travel-friendly cameras available, especially for those who've splurged on airline tickets and are looking for a cost-effective photography solution. The camera's intuitive button layout and Bluetooth Wi-Fi functionality make it particularly appealing to smartphone photographers venturing into the realm of interchangeable lens cameras. A key selling point is its superior in-body image stabilization, IBIS, which mirrors the system used in Olympus's award-winning flagship E-M1 series. This feature proves invaluable when capturing images handheld at slower shutter speeds. While the 20-megapixel resolution may not seem groundbreaking, it marks a significant upgrade from the previous model's 16-megapixel sensor, keeping the E-M10 Mark IV competitive. The 3-inch LCD touchscreen is the most advanced in the series to date, offering a 90-degree upward tilt for waist-level shooting and a 180-degree downward flip. The E-M10 Mark IV's 2.36M OLED viewfinder, identical to its predecessors, delivers a crisp view of your subject, while also displaying top-mounted settings. Though the autofocus system may not be the most cutting edge in this camera category, it delivers consistent results, which is the primary expectation from any camera autofocus. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it.